Let me explain about GIS Smart Construction Integrated Management Platform. The home screen includes a general information window, a special information window, and a GIS-based map screen. In the general special information window, you can check out location maps, construction overview, major facility status, compensation status, progress status, and design standards. On the GIS-based map screen, you can move the map view and zoom in out. You can also view drone images taken from specific GPS location. These drone images allow you to compare past and current progress. Based on the GPS information from the CCTV camera, you can monitor real-time video of the location. Multiple CCTV channels registered in the Integrated Management Platform can be simultaneously monitored in the desired format. Tunnel control monitoring is also available for important facilities like tunnels and highway construction projects. Now that we have gone through the overall route map, let's look at the detailed construction site information. For the current 6th section, Daewoo Construction, you can view real-time design information by linking the GIS-based map with design drawings, DWG. You can also control the on-off layers of detailed drawings. Additionally, by applying GIS-based map information, design drawings, and additional Korean maps, cadastral maps, you can check land-related information of the construction site. By capturing the latest drone orthophotos of the construction site and overlaying them on the GIS-based map, you can view the current work status. Construction data can be recorded and managed in the GIS Smart Integrated Management Platform based on the GPS location of the site. Complaints occurring on site can be registered on the platform based on real-time GPS location, enabling immediate information sharing and response. That concludes the explanation of the GIS Smart Construction Integrated Management Platform. Thank you.